Now dear students, we have another problem here. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Here the question is, we have two positive integers and these two integers are consecutive to each other. What do you mean by consecutive integers? The two integers are consecutive to each other when there is difference. The difference between these two numbers should be 1. For example, if we have 5, 5 is consecutive to 6 because 6 minus 5 is 1, and 5 is also consecutive to 4 because 5 minus 4 is 1. So when the difference between two integers is 1, we call these two numbers as consecutive integers. Now suppose if we have one integer x, then its consecutive will be x plus 1, or its consecutive will also another consecutive will be x minus 1. So if we will suppose here, if we will suppose solution, we will suppose first number is x. If first number is x, then it's consecutive number. Then another number will be x plus 1. Dear students, try to understand this point. The question says that there are two consecutive positive integers. So we know that consecutive means the difference between these two numbers should be 1. If we have first number is x, then another number will be x plus 1, because if we will subtract these two numbers, x plus 1 minus x, this minus x plus x cancel. Here we got 1. So difference between these two numbers is 1. So we will say that x plus 1 is consecutive to x. Now question says that the two consecutive integers is the product of two consecutive integers is 306. The question says that product of these, when we multiply these two consecutive integers, we get 306. So simply we will try to multiply these two terms. We have here x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. X into x plus 1 is equal to 306. Now we will try to simplify this. This is x into x is x square plus x into 1 is x is equal to 306. Now transpose this 306 to this side. We will get x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So dear students, we have got a quadratic equation here. The question was that we need to represent this problem in the form of quadratic equation. So dear students, we have done that. We have represented this quadratic equation, this problem in the form of quadratic equation, x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Also the question says that we need to find the integers, but dear students, we can't find these two integers from this quadratic equation at this time, because we have not yet studied about the solutions of quadratic equations. When we will go for the solutions of quadratic equations, there are various methods to solve the quadratic equation, to find the solutions of a quadratic equation. Like we have factorizing method, we have another quadratic formula method, we have completing square method. When we will go through these methods, then we will move forward. We will move backward to solve this problem, this quadratic equation, x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So dear students, you need not to worry about this. We will solve this problem. We will solve this problem after studying about the solutions of quadratic equations.